Hey everyone, Dr. Berg here. Today I'm going to share 3 common nutritional deficiencies related to sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome. Sciatica, with its shooting pain down the leg, and carpal tunnel, with its tingling and numbness in the hands, can really impact your quality of life. Vitamins B1, B6, and B12 are intimately involved in the nervous system and may be behind these painful conditions. Now, let's start with vitamin B6, an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining nerve health and overall well-being. This vitamin is critical for nerve health because it helps build the myelin sheath, the insulation around your nerves. The myelin sheath ensures that nerve signals are transmitted quickly and efficiently throughout your body. Without enough B6, your nerve signals can't travel efficiently, leading to pain, tingling, and numbness. These symptoms can significantly impact your daily life, making even simple tasks challenging. B6 is also involved in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which play crucial roles in regulating mood, sleep, and pain perception. A deficiency in B6 can lead to mood disorders, sleep disturbances, and increased sensitivity to pain. It helps protect sensory nerves and increases nerve conduction velocity, ensuring that your nervous system functions optimally. This is particularly important for maintaining coordination and reflexes. Common causes of B6 deficiency include taking the wrong form of B6, gut inflammation, and certain medications. These factors can interfere with the absorption and utilization of B6 in the body. Lifestyle factors like smoking and excessive coffee consumption can also deplete your B6 levels, further contributing to deficiency. It's important to be mindful of these habits and their impact on your health. If you're concerned about your B6 levels, talk to your doctor and get a blood test. Regular monitoring can help you maintain optimal levels and prevent deficiency-related issues. When supplementing, remember that P5P, the active form of B6, is the way to go. P5P is more readily absorbed and utilized by the body, making it an effective option for maintaining nerve health. Next up is vitamin B12, an essential nutrient for maintaining nerve health and promoting nerve regeneration. This vitamin plays a crucial role in the overall functioning of our nervous system. B12 supports methylation, a vital process that controls hundreds of chemical reactions in the body, including those that are critical for proper nerve function. Without adequate B12, these processes can be disrupted, leading to nerve damage. It helps produce myelin, the protective sheath around nerves, and nerve growth factors, which are essential for the repair and growth of nerve cells. Common causes of B12 deficiency include genetic variations that affect absorption and metabolism, a diet lacking in animal products, which are the primary sources of B12, low stomach acid, which can hinder absorption, and certain medications that interfere with B12 metabolism. Excessive intake of folic acid can mask a B12 deficiency, making it harder to diagnose and treat. If you suspect a B12 deficiency, it is important to talk to your doctor and get your levels checked through a blood test. Early detection can prevent serious complications. The natural form of B12, known as methylcobalamin, is the most bioavailable and easiest for your body to use. It is often recommended for supplementation to ensure optimal nerve health and function. Last but not least, we have vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This essential nutrient is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function and overall well-being. B1 supports blood flow to the nerves, ensuring they receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Without adequate B1, your nerves can become damaged, leading to various health issues. It also plays a significant role in glucose metabolism, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Proper glucose metabolism helps prevent complications like diabetic neuropathy, a condition that can cause pain and numbness in the extremities. Common causes of B1 deficiency include chronic conditions like diabetes, as well as lifestyle factors such as excessive consumption of coffee, tea, and alcohol. These substances can interfere with the absorption of thiamine, leading to a deficiency. If you're concerned about your B1 levels, it's important to talk to your doctor. They can perform tests to determine if you have a deficiency and recommend appropriate supplements or dietary changes. The fat-soluble version of B1, known as benfotiamine, is generally better absorbed by the body. This makes it more effective at raising B1 levels and ensuring your body gets the thiamine it needs to stay healthy and function optimally. We've covered a lot today. These 3 B vitamins are crucial for nerve health and can help with conditions like sciatica and carpal tunnel. If you're experiencing nerve pain, consult with your doctor for a proper diagnosis and treatment.